In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your website Bluehost. We'll walk through where to find Bluehost backup tools and what each option means, so you feel confident protecting your site. Start by heading to your Bluehost My Account area. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, look for the Websites section. This is where Bluehost lists the sites connected to your account, and it's the quickest way to jump straight into the tools for a specific site. Choose the site you want to protect and click Manage. This opens the site's management screen where you'll find performance, security, and what we need today, backup options. Take a second to confirm you're managing the correct domain, especially if you host multiple sites, so you don't restore or review the wrong one. Next, open the Backups tab. This is the control center for your restore points. Depending on your plan, you may see the automatic snapshots saved over time. The names of options can vary slightly as interfaces evolve, but you're looking for the area that shows your available restore points and tools. Begin with Full Website Restore. This option is designed to roll your entire website, files, and database back to a previous point in time. It's helpful after a major issue like a broken update or a security problem. Because a full restore replaces your current site, always double-check the date and time of the restore point you select. If you maintain a staging site, it's wise to review there first. Otherwise, just be sure you're comfortable with the snapshot you're choosing. Now, return to the backup tools and explore file backups. This focuses on your site's files. Think themes, plugins, uploads, and other content in your web directories. It's perfect when design assets or a specific plugin update cause trouble. You can typically choose a restore date and in many cases target specific folders if you don't want to roll back everything. Restoring files won't change your posts or settings, it just affects the code and media on the server. Finally, open database backups. Your database stores content like posts, pages, comments, users, orders, and many settings. Restoring only the database is useful if your content changed unexpectedly or you need to undo edits without touching your files. Keep in mind that WordPress relies on both files and the database, so if you restored files earlier, it's best to align the database to a backup from the same time when possible. That's it. Navigate to My Account, open Websites, click Manage, and use the Backups area to choose Full Website Restore, File Backups, or Database Backups based on what you need. Always verify timestamps, and after any restore, review your site to confirm everything looks correct.